In a world where practicality meets innovation, one gadget stands out for its blend of style and functionality. Imagine a tool so versatile it combines multiple everyday essentials into one compact, durable device. Picture a sleek accessory that not only keeps your keys in order, but also ensures you're never without a charging cable or a handy bottle opener. Its metal-reinforced back and solid construction promise longevity, while its portability guarantees convenience on the go. But there's more to discover. Keep watching to unveil the mystery behind this extraordinary gadget that promises to revolutionize your daily carry. Looking for a reliable and portable solution for your mobile device? The Nulaxy phone stand is a standout option, blending sturdiness with versatility. Crafted from premium aluminum, the Nulaxy phone stand promises durability and resilience. Its rubberized pads ensure a secure grip and protect your device from scratches. Whether you're working at a desk or on the go, this stand offers remarkable convenience. Its collapsible design makes it easy to slip into a pocket or purse, perfect for travel and quick setups in busy environments like airport lounges or coffee shops. One of its most impressive features is its adjustability. Whether you're on a video call, following a recipe, or watching a series, the stand's flexibility helps you find the perfect viewing angle, reducing neck strain during prolonged use. However, the stand does have some limitations. Ensuring your device is properly balanced is crucial to prevent tipping. It accommodates most cases, but those with very thick protectors might find the fit tight. Design-wise, the Nulaxy phone stand focuses on functionality with a minimalist aesthetic. It may not be a style statement, but it blends seamlessly with most environments. This stand is all about providing a dependable and practical solution for managing your mobile device. The MAFEHAN magnet tool is an essential gadget for hands-on workers, offering robust features for practical solutions. Compact, yet powerful, this tool excels in retrieving metallic items with its strong magnet and versatile design. Its magnetic base allows for convenient attachment to metal surfaces, doubling as a hands-free light source. The extendable, flexible neck reaches up to 22 inches, making it ideal for tight, hard-to-reach areas, while the trio of LEDs brightens the darkest spots. Imagine working under a car hood when a bolt slips out of reach. The MAFEHAN tool effortlessly retrieves it, proving invaluable in automotive and HVAC settings. Its precise magnetic attraction and flexible neck make it a game-changer for home improvement projects, easily navigating around obstructions. Despite its strengths, the tool has a few limitations. Its small size may not handle heavier metal objects, and frequent use of the LED feature may deplete the included batteries quickly. However, its compactness doesn't compromise robustness, with a well-thought-out design featuring a matte black finish and smooth, telescopic sections. User feedback often highlights its handiness and the convenience of combining light and magnet in one compact device. The pocket clip enhances accessibility, keeping the tool ready on a pocket edge or utility belt strap. Looking for a budget-friendly gadget cleaning system? The Tassmpitor 10-in-1 Cleaning Kit offers versatile and efficient tools for all your devices. Designed with practicality in mind, this kit makes it easy to keep your electronics spotless. It includes a variety of tools, from brushes for debris removal to high-quality microfiber cloths for polishing screens. The compact design ensures portability, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Despite its size, the kit effectively tackles various cleaning tasks, whether it's wiping down a camera lens, cleaning a keyboard, or achieving a streak-free smartphone screen. However, the kit does have some limitations. The small spray bottle might run out quickly with frequent use, and accessing the tools can be tricky due to the case's design. Additionally, the brushes may not withstand heavy-duty cleaning over time. The Bloss Jar Opener is an efficient solution for those who struggle with jar lids, particularly seniors and individuals with hand mobility issues. This versatile tool accommodates various jar sizes with its multiple size options, and its non-slip rubber grip ensures easy opening. Lightweight and battery-free, it's a simple yet effective kitchen aid. The jar opener is a compact, lightweight kitchen tool designed to open jars with ease. It features a non-slip grip that securely clamps onto the lid, providing a firm hold for effortless opening. The manual operation requires a gentle twist to release even the most stubborn lids. Its structure, made of hard plastic, offers durability, but shows some limitations with oversized or irregularly shaped containers. Despite these constraints, its straightforward design and practical functionality make it particularly useful for individuals with reduced grip strength, such as those with arthritis. Unlock the full potential of your kitchen with the Bloss Jar Opener. If you've been impressed by its efficiency and ease of use, there's more to come. Stay tuned for more innovative gadgets designed to make your life easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to let us know what you think and stay updated on our latest reviews and tips. Looking to streamline your everyday carry with style and practicality? The Connfiton Multitool Keychain is a must-have gadget. This versatile tool combines a charging cable, bottle opener, and keychain into one compact device. Its solid construction and metal-reinforced back ensure durability, while its portability makes it perfect for on-the-go use. The integrated iPhone charging cable eliminates the need to carry a separate cord, and its tangle-free design saves time and frustration. The keychain also features a carabiner for easy attachment to a belt loop, keeping your keys and charging cables secure and accessible. The bottle opener, though seemingly minor, can be a conversation starter at social gatherings. However, the gadget does have some drawbacks. The charging cable is quite short, suitable only for close-range use. This can be inconvenient if you need more flexibility, such as when charging your phone from a desktop while taking a call. Additionally, the keychain's durability may not withstand prolonged, heavy use, and its design is specifically for iPhone users, limiting its compatibility. Looking for an affordable, innovative, and practical gadget? The LUCDNC flashlight gloves should be on your radar. These gloves provide freehand illumination, perfect for activities like night hikes, fishing, or auto repairs. The snug, breathable fabric fits most hands comfortably, ensuring you can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. They include an easy-to-use on-off switch, making instant lighting hassle-free. The gloves excel in providing adequate illumination in confined spaces. Stretchable fabric combines comfort with practicality, and the inclusion of additional batteries and a mini screwdriver for easy battery replacement is a thoughtful touch. However, those with smaller hands might find the size a bit too generous, and the single-color option of black might not appeal to everyone. Additionally, while suitable for many tasks, they may not withstand heavy-duty use. Despite these minor drawbacks, the LUCDNC flashlight gloves are a fantastic gadget for anyone who needs hands-free lighting. They offer a unique blend of functionality and comfort, making small tasks significantly easier, whether for personal use or as a gift. These gloves are a practical innovation that can enhance your daily activities. Navigating the bathroom in the dark? The ToiLight offers soft, practical illumination that's also entertaining. This handy gadget provides gentle light that doesn't disrupt sleep, making it perfect for late-night bathroom trips. It's particularly useful for kids during potty training, adding a fun element to the experience. The installation is simple and flexible, fitting any toilet bowl without the need for suction cups. The ToiLight activates automatically and is responsive, providing just enough light to guide you without startling you awake. Its soft glow helps maintain your night vision, making those frequent nighttime visits much more pleasant. While not extremely bright, it offers sufficient visibility. Being battery-operated, you'll need to replace the batteries occasionally, and it's important to keep it safe from water splashes as it isn't waterproof. Despite these minor drawbacks, the ToiLight is a delightful addition to any bathroom, making nightly trips more enjoyable for both adults and kids. Its ease of use and whimsical colors turn routine visits into a more pleasant experience. For playful practicality in managing your devices, the thumbs-up phone stand is a solid choice for its stability and cheerful design. This phone stand effortlessly accommodates various phone sizes and orientations, making it versatile and convenient. Its light and portable build is perfect for travel, and it supports wireless charging, adding extra convenience. The design is unique and fun, resembling a friend giving you a thumbs up while securely holding your device. It excels during long video calls, keeping your phone steady and wobble-free. The stand's portability is impressive. It's easy to pack and move around, making it ideal for those constantly on the go. The wireless charging feature is particularly useful, allowing you to charge your phone without removing it from the stand. This is especially handy on a nightstand where your phone can charge overnight while remaining visible for any urgent notifications. However, the stand may struggle with heavier devices or bulky cases, potentially affecting its stability. Adjusting the grip can be a bit fiddly due to its fixed design, which might be inconvenient when you need to quickly free your phone. Additionally, while the playful thumbs-up design is charming, it may not appeal to everyone's taste or suit all professional environments. And there you have it. Each gadget we discussed offers practical solutions for everyday tasks. The Nulaxy phone stand and Connfiton Multitool Keychain enhance convenience and efficiency, while the MAFEHAN magnet tool and Tassmpitor Cleaning Kit simplify specific chores. The Bloss Jar Opener and LUCDNC flashlight gloves provide essential assistance, and the ToiLight motion sensor and thumbs-up phone stand add fun and functionality to daily routines. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Stay tuned for our next video, featuring more must-have gadgets that will truly rock your day and make your life easier and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching.